What are your top tips for beginners who are starting their e-commerce journey?
So, a super good question. I have a lot of stuff for this. So I've been in the industry now for 4 years, full time, quit my 9 to 5 4 years ago, and I generated over $6 million through both Etsy and also Shopify as well. The most important thing is you're gonna come across L's, you're gonna come across losses, whether that's a loss of $1,000 or a loss of 100 hours or a loss of 100,000 or fucking 3,000 hours. You never know what's gonna happen. And the most important thing is that you learn from each thing and you don't get discouraged, because at the end of the day, e-commerce works. It fucking works. Like, everything works out there, but you got to stick to that one thing and just make it, just obsess over it and really go for it. That's what's going to make you succeed. Like, you can't just be a pussy, right? Like, to put it bluntly, you just can't be a pussy, because if you're a pussy, you're not going to win. You're just not. One thing that I like to say to myself, to my team members and stuff like this, is to have speed with the everyday tasks. Just pure and utter conviction and speed and confidence with the everyday tasks, and patience with the overall goal. So you've got to act quickly day to day, but you've also got to be aware that shit's not going to happen in 3 days time. Shit's not going to happen in 2 weeks time. You've got to be at it for months and months and months and months, if not years, to really see like big levels of success. Big levels of success. I'm talking like 50K, 100K profit per month. And even then, it's going to take you way longer to get to the millions in profit a month. So speed with the day-to-day, patience with the overall.